click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I am going to show you how to hide a folder completely in Windows 10. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, create a new folder. So here I am creating a new folder in D drive. So let's get inside D drive, or you can create a folder in any drive, or also you can create a folder in desktop also. So here I create a new folder by right clicking here and clicking new and folder, and I rename it to my folder. And now to hide this folder, press and hold shift key into your keyboard and right click here and click on open PowerShell window here, click on it, and now you type this command and here you type your folder name, that is my folder. So press enter and refresh it. So it's hidden now. So if we want to view this hidden file, by default we do view and click on hidden items. So it's already selected. So even it is already selected, it's not showing hidden folder here. So to view the hidden folder, open this Windows PowerShell again by pressing and holding shift key into your keyboard and right click here and click on open PowerShell window here, and again type this command to unhide your folder by typing attrib, and instead of plus now type here minus or hyphen, and else. Now here type the name of the hidden folder, that is my folder, and press enter, and this folder will unhide. So you can see here now the folder is showing in this D drive. So one more tricks I am showing you. By using these tricks, you can able to get inside the hidden folder without unhiding it. So first of all, hide this folder again by typing my folder. So sorry, this command is mistake. So here it should be yes, and press enter. So this folder is hidden now. So I'm showing you how you can get inside the hidden folder without unhiding it. So you just need to do is click on this address bar and type the name of hidden folder, that is my folder, and press enter. Now you can see the inside of this hidden folder. You can see here we are now inside this hidden folder, which is empty folder. So there is no data or files in this folder, so it is showing empty folder. Now you can paste or copy paste your files and folder inside this hidden folder without unhiding this hidden folder. So this is the cool way for hiding a folder in Windows computer. So I hope you like this trick.